Jerk shrimp fried rice is absolutely delicious, and if you haven't tried it, well then here is your sign to try it today. So first of all, we're going to start off with some clean shrimp and we're going to season it with some jerk marinade, some all-purpose, some garlic powder and some jerk seasoning as well. And then I'm going to get some gloves and massage this all together. Then we're going to get all the boring chopping out of the way. So I'm going to take half an onion and I'm going to dice it. I'm also going to dice 2 garlic cloves. I like to smash my garlic cloves. I find it a lot easier to dice them after I do this. So if you don't smash your garlic cloves, try it and see how much easier it makes your life. Now that we're done with the garlic, I'm going to take a medium red bell pepper and I'm going to chop up half of it. Now, bringing it all together, so add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to a wok and allow this to heat up on a hot temperature for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to add in our shrimps. We cook our shrimps first because they cook very quickly, so what we're going to do is cook them and remove them and save them for later. If you overcook your shrimp, it will taste rubbery, and that's definitely not what we want. So once your shrimp is cooked, you remove it and remove all of the delicious juices, and we save it for later. And then we're going to start with vegetables. So starting off with some onions and garlic, we're going to cook it in that same pot and get all of those delicious tastes released. And then we're going to add in some frozen vegetables. Here I have peas and carrots. I'm also going to add in the pepper, the bell pepper that I chopped up earlier, and we're going to cook this down for a couple of minutes. Season it with some salt and pepper. After you've cooked this down for some time, move it to the side and we're going to crack 2 eggs into our wok. We're going to cook our eggs on the side. Make sure that you whisk it well, and once it has cooked at least halfway or just over halfway through, then we're going to mix it into our vegetables. If you try to cook it without first of all moving your vegetables to the side, you find that you really don't get any nice clumps of egg. You probably will barely even see that there is egg in the food. Then we're going to take some cooked rice. It's better if it's day-old rice. I think actually here I was in a bit of a rush and I made some microwave rice. I have about 1.5 cups of that. Then I'm going to add some butter, mix it together. I'm re-adding my prawns from earlier on and all of those delicious juices. Mix it together. I've added some salt to taste, a little bit more jerk marinade. Now beware, this is super spicy, so if you cannot handle the spice, given that we already added the jerk marinade to our shrimp, you might want to skip this out. But if you like some spice, then go wild. Then I'm going to season it with some soy sauce. You also want to add some oyster sauce, but I think in this occasion it was actually out of stock in the supermarket. Then we're going to mix it all together and cook it down for a final few minutes. And then you have your absolutely delicious jerk shrimp fried rice. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.